Well, if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today. I know you can't see me because I'm sitting behind this bush. It's a little bit big, kind of overgrown in the space, and my wife wants it gone. So I think we're just going to dig it up. So when it comes to my yard, you know, I take a lot of pride in the way my property looks. I like for it to look a certain way. I like for the grass to be crazy green. I like my plants laid out a certain way, the edging, the flowers, and you know, the whole 9 yards, striping the yard and all that kind of thing. But there's a few things that trump the yard, right? I mean, it is what it is. At the end of the day, it's just grass. You know, my wife and my daughter, they're kind of crafty people, and they like to decorate and all that kind of thing. And here we are at Christmas, and as you can see, they've done a pretty good job. Well, my wife did most of this. Done a pretty good job with the front porch. I think it looks pretty cool. When somebody comes up the sidewalk or somebody driving down the road and they look over here, this thing is just kind of blocking all my wife's hard work. So she asked me the other day, said, "Babe, you mind if we move that plant or dig it up or whatever?" I come out here and looked at it. It's kind of a little bit overgrown for the space. My intention was to keep it smaller. Obviously, I've done a pathetic job at doing that, and it's kind of big and overgrown. It's a curly leaf ligustrum. You know, when it comes to doing this kind of stuff, I don't mind doing it one bit for my wife because I love her. You know, we've been commanded by Christ to love your wife as Christ loves the church. And, well, you have to ask the question, well, how did Christ love the church? Well, Jesus died and gave his life. I take that as I need to love my wife in a way that I am willing to die for her. That's the extent of the love I need to show my wife. And I try my best to do that on a daily basis. Obviously, I fail and fall flat on my face a lot of the times because I'm not perfect. And this right here would just be one little tiny small way I can show my wife some love. She knows how passionate I am about my yard and all that kind of thing. And am I going to lose sleep over removing this bush so people or folks can see my wife's hard work on the front patio? Absolutely not. I'm not going to lose the first bit of sleep. Am I going to remove it and transplant it somewhere else? Well, I've went around the house a few times and I don't see anywhere I could put it to where it would actually fit in. So I know some folks don't like throwing plants away and that kind of thing, but in this case, I'm going to have to throw it away because I just don't have anywhere to put it. So let's dig it up, and then we'll get my wife out here and let her check it out, see what she thinks, and we'll roll with that. Oh boy, it's rooted really good too. There we go. Well, I'd have to say I think it looks a little bit better myself, so let's go get her and see what she thinks. Is it better?
Yes. Much. I love it. Is that a chair?
You're on video.
Oh.
Alright, she loves it. So if she loves it, I love it. So this really isn't a choose your battle type of thing in marriage. This is a more of a give and take thing in a marriage. And the reason for the video is I just wanted to encourage you guys that as husbands, we have a responsibility to our wife, and first and foremost is to love your wife like Christ loves the church, which is a very big calling, a very big responsibility, a lot behind that, you know what I'm saying? So when it boils down to it, at the end of the day, it's a bush. She basically asked me, could I move it? And I said, heck yeah, let's move it. And that way Mama's all nice and happy now. And at the end of the day, that's going to give me more joy than anything that I ever do in this yard. Hope that was encouraging to you husbands, that we get wrapped up in all this yard stuff, but at the end of the day, it's just a yard, and there are things that are so much more significant in life than a bush in the corner right here. And if you can do something that may take a little bit away from you, but will make your wife happy in the long run, hey, go for it, man. So hey, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this. We got to dig a bush up, and I'll throw it away at the shop. And as you can see, it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a great Christmas time with your family and with your wife and with your kids and all that kind of thing. Even though we're in the midst of a pandemic going on, it doesn't change Christmas, okay? It doesn't change why we celebrate the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords being born. And so, hey, keep that in your mind and don't try to let all this stuff get you down. Again, I appreciate you watching. I'll check you later. Oh yeah, much better.